Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville 900XL or 920XL if it's in the shop. And I'm kind of doing a different type of video. I'm going to do a traditional video where I make the shot, show the steam on, hot water. The reason it's open case though is because I had recently called the customer about getting a new OPV valve for the pump. What the OPV valve is it's a plastic pump. Like I have one here for a different Breville, but same mechanics, different spring, different mushroom valve size. But as you can see here, so this part goes on your pump. So this part connects to the pump. This little knob twists right and left, and what that does is when you twist it more right, it gives you less pressure. When you twist it more, or when you twist it more right, it gives you more pressure. When you twist it more left, it gives you less pressure. And then you have extra hose to release. And so the reason I'm making an open case video is because I had called the customer asking if they were, because these parts are almost impossible to find. They're backed up by a long shot. Like Breville is an Australian company at heart. Sage is what they're called out there, and they don't like really selling parts out to anybody. And so I was having a hard time finding the part, and so I had asked them, hey, we have a bunch of Brevilles in the back, would you like to use a used part? He said no, which is perfectly fine. Right after I had hung up the phone, we had found 2 to 3 brand new ones that we just had like in a random box, like in the corner, brand new, still in the seal. And so I could just kind of wanted to make a video showing, making sure, there's a brand new OPV valve in there. So we are going to look. An OPV valve is located where the pump's at. And as you can see, it's kind of hard with the darkness. Let me try to brighten up the video. There you are. Brand new OPV valve in there. I did have to put an O-ring on the bottom to stop it from leaking, which is great. Now it's not leaking. Tested it, adjusted it. We got it to 10 bars of pressure. And we're going to do the rest of this video with the case open, just to make sure it isn't leaking. Also, while we were testing the new OPV valve, your pressure stat was giving out. Reason you could tell this is because it is naturally always at 1. So we replaced it with a new one. And so we're just going to test. This is what a back flushing disc in there. We're just going to test how much pressure we get on the constant. I did reset the settings, so you do have to make your own pre-infusion and stuff like that again. But as you can see, we set it to 10 bars, no more than that. And yeah, it's looking good. We're just going to let it run. Let it go. Releases to the bottom. So yeah, so now I'm going to put the portafilter with some coffee. We're going to brew a shot with this bottomless basket. We're going to do some steam, do some hot water. And yeah, I'll see you in a second. Alrighty, now we're back, and I got a bed of coffee here, and this nice portafilter is set with IMS Precision Basket. Really good upgrade for your portafilters. Highly recommended for a lot of espresso enthusiasts. I'm going to put this on here, and I'm going to grab a glass to pour the shot. We're going to get one here, we're going to put it under. And don't worry if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow, we're just making sure water comes out, making sure we get pressure. I didn't calibrate the grinder or the grinds to this machine specifically, so of course don't worry about that. We're just looking to see if we can make some coffee with it, which we can. It's probably from the coffee grind size that I put. So you gain up there, it's perfectly fine. For testing purposes, of course. Turning water out the front. No spills in the back through the OPV valve. We did also replace the pump on this machine and a new 3-way valve, which is located right here. And so, take that off. Yeah, as you can see, I didn't put enough grounds in there, but that's perfectly fine. Now we're going to test the hot water function by pressing this one. Yep. As you can see, steady stream running right through, looking good. And now hitting the steam wand will release the steam from that second boiler. Yeah, everything's looking great. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.